Welcome once again. This is additional information, a compilation of some features that were omitted in the series. So this is the help page where you can have your flag, frequently asked questions. Is a static page. Users find it helpful. Just put as much as possible information, questions, and answers that you think users can find helpful to navigating your website or find your services and all that. Okay, then next, we will capture also the little changes we made in the dashboard, and the next session, which is the last one, will have the bug fixes. Okay, now let's go to dashboard. Your contact mail, the mail from your contact form is now arranged and ordered from the latest to the oldest. Yes, the newest to the oldest now, unlike before. So this is what I mean. The contact form. Yeah, contact form. Contact form. Yeah, the system is somehow slow. Alright, so if you can remember, this was was placed at the last, the bottom of the list. So that you can view your latest received mail from the contact form. Remember, this only accessed by admin. So next, we'll look at how the mail from the contact form. This is the contact form actually. If you've forgotten, user sends mail from here. You receive in your mailbox. You can also view it here if you wish, but actually originally this is where you get it. So let me show you a copy of what I received in my mailbox. Yeah, this is the copy in my mailbox from Marion Tobacco. So you can reply, you can download the file if there's any attachment and all that. Yeah, if the email is actually real, you get a response from the user. So this is actually how you can your users can contact you. And next, we'll consider testimonials. Yes, testimonials being important part of every business. Remember that we're going to create a similar testimonial like this. This is not actually a user, it's not a real account. Now, this option is only for users that may be so busy that they may not have that time to come to your site and really enter a review for you. Originally, you need to refer people to this page. Yes, this is where they can write a review for you. Testimonials is convenient. But if they cannot do that, they can send you the review through WhatsApp, mail, and all that. Then you create it yourself. Only the admin can do this. Okay, let's just create one. Yeah, it should be under account testimonials. Alright. So let's quickly create one. Let's say Dr. Mado Kuma. Yeah, at kumayahoo.com. Messages. Your services have been wonderful. I recommend you to all business minded persons. Alright. Yeah, let me just remove the default avatar. Please, this should be a mail. I hope I can find a mail here. Okay, I don't think I can. Let me just place a random photo. Yeah, a random photo. Approve. Yeah, there's because this is not a real user. Uh, Testimonials are actually tied to real accounts, so you will be directed to a 404 page, but don't worry, it's already created. Go back. Yes, the page is missing because it's not a real user. I'll show you what I mean. It's already created. Now the issue with guest testimonials that you can not actually not edit them. Yes, information is not really coming from the user account. Mm, yeah, we can still use this. All right, now the next one is downloading received direct messages. That's the images. If you remember, we couldn't actually see the download icon that time. Yes, there's no download icon. Yeah, there's a workaround around this because the file name is actually very long. That was a problem. The original file name, see, the original file name is actually long. If it's a short one, the generated random file name will also be short. So just collapse this side bar first. I'm not on a full screen. Would have been fantastic to be on a full screen, but you zoom out until it's reviewed. So it's already reviewed. You can click on the download icon and you have your download whatever working for you. It's a workaround. It's just review whatever you want. All right. I think that's all for the additional information. The bug fixes are also attached as the last segment of this series. So on to bug fixes. See you there.